Good morning, friends. Welcome to live performance tracking session, day two. Let me share my screen. Okay, so we are tracking a technical indicator which is created in Pine Script on TradingView using proprietary tools and available indicators. So this indicator is basically for educational purpose and research analysis purpose only, not a financial advice. You need to consult your financial advice before taking any trades or making any investment decision. I'm not a SEBI-registered research analyst. Please note that. Okay, so that is our disclaimer. Let's. So this session is basically, as you know, um, we are tracking the performance of IM7 indicator. This is the one that is the agenda, right? Intraday Master 7 indicator, which is created on my own based on my knowledge and my market experience. And I wanted to showcase this to interested users. So this is the um, day two live performance tracking that we have been doing, right? So without making any delay, let's get into the topic. So yesterday's trades, right? We got a short trade in yesterday in BEML. By the way, we are tracking these four stocks which are shown here, like BEML, HAL, IREDA, and Maruti. There is a reason for that. We know why. What is the reason, right? Over a period of 100 200 trades, the results are very impressive on those four stocks. So that is the reason we want to ride the trend, right? So BML, let's look at the trade. What happened exactly? At 9:50, we got a short signal for downside. You can see the quantity that we need to take is around 38, and the entry point is marked after this 9:50 candle close, 4372, and stop loss and target are also given on the top right corner. If you see here, 4423 and 4320. In 12:30 candle we got the target. So if you remember yesterday, it was a flat positive. Day before yesterday, it was a flat positive. That's the reason 472 rupees is showing here. But in yesterday's trade, we got a target which is like close to 200, no, 2000 rupees. So it comes with a little slippage, like 1900, 1950, something like that. So overall, in two trades, BEML gave us like 2,400 rupees. Okay, so this is pretty clear. We got a downtrend, we got a target, and the PNL table is updated. Okay, let's go to HAL. We got a short trade even on HAL in 1020 candle, but it didn't happen anything here. Like it did not hit a stop loss or it did not hit a target, so it's a flat close actually. That is only updated after 9:15. Flat trades will be updated after 9:15. So this trade is not valid actually, um, because that is showing a previous third day trade. But yeah, we will see this trades details after 9:15. I will show you before we close the session. And another one, IREDA, we got a short signal as well here. If you see, the short signal came around 10:50 candle, right? Exactly at 10:50 candle, we got a short signal. So there is a stop loss and there is a target, and the quantity, how much we need to take, everything is shown here. But this is a stop loss trade. If you remember, the day one also we hit the stop loss, but that was a long trade and we hit the stop loss. Today is a short trade, again we hit a stop loss. That's fine. So last two trades, IREDA is showing like minus 4,000 loss, because each trade stop loss is 2,000. So 2,000 and 2,002 loss trades minus 4,000 is the net PNL. Fair enough, right? It is easy to understand. Let's move to Maruti. Um, in Maruti, what kind of trade we got? Just a minute, it's still loading. Yeah. So, okay, we got a short entry at Maruti at 11:15 on 11:15 candle closing. 21 quantity to be taken. Stop loss and target are marked, and we hit the target in two at 2 o'clock candle, like 2:05 candle. Okay, so Maruti, day one, like a day before yesterday, it was a last trade. If you see here, um, what is that? Yeah, here you see this is a down trade it gave, but it went up and it hit the stop loss. But today it gave short trade and it hit the target. So one loss trade and one win trade. You can clearly see in the PNL table which direction the trades came. Both are short, but one is a loss trade and one is a win trade. So net minus 2,000 and plus 2,000, it's zero. Almost like 50 rupees we are in profit. That's fine. Okay, so this is the close of second day trading performance that we are seeing. We will see this up to 10 or 15 trades. This number keeps increasing. The PNL keeps increasing. Like currently, it is. I selected here last two trades. When we select last 3 days, 3 trades tomorrow, we'll come to know like what will be the profit and loss. Okay, so finally, BML, how much we are in profit after two trades. We'll just see. 2,500 is 400 is the profit in BML after two trades. HL is yet to be updated after 9:15. I'll show that. It's still loading. This is not the correct one because it will update after 9:15, so that's fine. So IREDA, this like 4,000 loss it is showing because we got back to back stop losses, and Maruti net zero because one loss and one win. Okay, so this is the performance of these four stocks from last 2 days. Okay, so we will continue up to 10-15 trades, as I said. If you want to test this indicator on your own, I can give you access for 1 week or 2 weeks based on your requirement. So please feel free to send me your request on my email. Okay, this is my email, nagaraju.g10@gmail.com. Please note, I am not a SEBI-registered investment advisor, and this product is intended solely for educational and research purpose. So you can use this indicator along with your other indicators. If you already have some working setup, you can just combine this with your already working indicators or setups, or you can use it independently on its own. This setup actually works independently without combining with any other indicators. So what you just need to do, once I grant access, click on indicators, go to invite only, you will see IM7 indicator. Just add this to your chart. As and when you see a signal, you will come to know if this is a red dot, it's a potential a short signal. Okay, if you see something like this, well, I'm seeing all short. Yeah, if you see something like this, entry and green dot, it's a potential long signal. Okay, so as simple as that. And you can do your own backtesting on last available 100, 200, 300 trades, this value. but in free version you can actually test it up to 50 trades. So show last 10 trades. This number can be increased up to 30, 40, or 50, however number you want. So if you have a premium account, you can test it up to last 1 year, like almost 200 to 300 trades also available. In some 200 trades, I think, roughly it is available. Okay, so it gives a signal. It gives which direction, it gives what quantity to be taken, what is the stop loss and target, and what happens after the trade is taken. Everything is tracked. So now I am just waiting for this HAL PNL to be updated at 9:15. Once that is updated, we will close this session. Feel free to share this video with your friends or interested people who might be interested in learning trading strategies or trading ideas. If you feel that is helpful, yeah, let's just wait for a minute. We'll see the PNL updated here at 9:15. It's a flat actually, so it's a short trade but flat result. We'll see that. Yeah, it's already updated, you can see, right? Short trade 4719, this is the candle 4719. You see at the top here, you'll see when I highlight this candle, you'll see 4719.7. And so what is the result at 320? The exit, we got exit at 4726, so minus 315 rupees is the PNL for yesterday trade. This is a short flat. It's not a win, it's not a loss, it's just a flat, but minus 300 is a. So out of two trades, we got a minus 200, 2300 loss in HAL. Okay, so this is the net result for all the four stocks. Okay, feel free to reach out to me on my email ID, or you can just comment out on these videos with your email IDs, or it's better to reach out to me actually. Okay, so if you are interested, I can explain this further when we meet. We can take it forward from there. Thanks everyone, thanks for your time. Have a great trading day ahead today. See you again tomorrow with the performance testing, how market performs today. Okay, thanks, bye.